Guys, what's up? What I'm gonna do is show you guys, if you're working on, this one is a 16 diameter. Say you actually need a 14 inch and all you have is a 16. What I'm gonna do is show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, I got the 16 inch and I made it a 14. What I did is I made it a 13 and 3/4, and the reason why is so you can get the flex duct. It slips right on without any issues. It's pretty easy. And then what I did is I just screwed some screws, 1, 2 right here, and then on the inside of here, what I'll do is I'll just go and I'll pookie that, or mastic, whatever way you guys call it. So that's my quick tip of the day. Give thanks to all my subscribers. Please comment down below what type of videos you want to see in the future. And thank you for watching.